Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with making a truly sharp, professional-looking logo that stays crisp whether it's on a website, a business card, or even a huge banner, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple but essential method of creating a high-resolution logo using Canva Pro. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design your logo and, just as importantly, how to export it in the highest possible quality so it always looks its best. Let's jump right in. First up, you're going to want to head over to Canva. So open up your browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged in. If you have Canva Pro, you're good to go. The Pro version unlocks some vital export options we'll need for that high-res finish. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button. Usually it's big and bright at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. In the search box that appears, type in logo. This will bring up Canva's dedicated logo templates, and here's why that matters. When you choose the logo design type, Canva automatically sets your canvas size to something that's well suited for logos and makes resizing super straightforward later on. Now you're met with a whole library of logo templates on the left. This part is honestly pretty fun. You can scroll through the different styles: modern, minimalist, retro, bold, playful, you name it. Find a template that kinda matches the vibe you're going for. Don't stress too much about colors or fonts just yet. The template is just a starting point for the structure and feel. Click on a template to open it up, and now the real creative part begins, editing everything you want. Change up the text to your business name or initials. Play around with fonts until it feels right. Think about what message that font sends. Swap out icons or graphics to something that represents your brand's personality. Canva has hundreds of elements to choose from. You might want to adjust colors too, maybe match your brand palette. Remember, the more unique and thoughtful your choices are here, the more you'll stand out. If you ever feel stuck, try thinking about where your logo will be seen most: on Instagram, printed on t-shirts. This can help guide your design decisions. As you edit, don't forget to zoom in and out a few times. You want your logo to look good, both tiny and blown up. Details matter. Don't worry if you're fiddling with small things. Polishing the details now will pay off when your logo goes public. Once you're totally happy with your design, maybe preview it over a few background colors to make sure it's versatile. You're ready to move on to the crucial part: downloading your logo in the right format. Click the Share button up top, then hit Download. This is where Canva Pro's magic comes in. Select PDF Print as your download file type. Why PDF Print? Because it gives you a super high-resolution version that's perfect for printing, whether that's a tiny sticker or a big poster. Next, under the color options, make sure you select CMYK color format. This is important. CMYK is what professional printers use, and it will make sure your logo colors look right in real life, not just on your screen. It might take a moment to prepare the file, especially if your design's detailed, but hang tight. And that's it. Now you've got a high-res, print-ready logo you can use literally anywhere, online, in print, wherever your brand needs to shine. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to like the video and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see more Canva Pro tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what you design.